Hey Paris, blessed Sunday morning to you all, wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I would like it to be good night whenever this little video of mine reaches it to you. When you cock up in your bed, the one you go turn you over. But just hope so you eat within the eyes, and hope that when this video you're watching it, you will pause and go get yourself a piece of your black cake. It's gonna be really, I don't know. It I got cringing because I go say, wow. And I'm not doing it because it's not so. I'm doing it because it is so. So happy holidays to you. Hope that you are keeping yourselves all warmed. And yeah, plan to cook some good food. Not go overboard. Just do it minimal. I hope you're doing a lot of decorating because Christmas come once a year. I'm not doing a lot of decorating. What is happening around me, it doesn't allow me. I'm not in the mood. I don't have the vibes to go do trips and, Something was just passing their family on the road that was extra loud at Christmas. Now, this video is another follow-up on the last of little series of black cake. But, boy, I'm not telling a lie. Somebody was here and I have to take out a piece of this. They insisted they were going away. They couldn't wait till the video. So, in this video, I am going to show you the prior ones. I showed you how I was rubbing up the cake when it was finished and I was packaging for shipping. Now, I want to show you the definite finished product of the black cake of what I did. This is mine. And I hope that yours, all you who did your baking, will come out okay too. My hands are clean. I have taken out a slice to give to somebody because them couldn't resist. So I'm going to take out a slice and I want to show you something. So I go here and I slice here. Clean slice I've gotten. And that is why I always say, use a little breadcrumbs in your mixture. It helps with nice slicing. So I've taken out this slice here. I'm going to take it out. Ooh, oh, the thing is at the bottom there. Okay. So I've taken out a slice here for you, and I hope that you're seeing it. Now, this is what we have right here. This cake was being cured for like 3 weeks and plus. The alcohol has broken down. This was blended though. It wasn't the one that wasn't blended. If it was the one that wasn't blended, it would be a more cleaner slice. That is why I don't blend out my fruits them. Because as the alcohol goes through those fruits all, it breaks it down. When you blend it out, it has this sort of slicing. But I think I got it good. Let me see, camera girl. Are they? Yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is the more like sort of pudding. Not fully plum pudding or Christmas pudding. It's the more like on the pudding texture. You have the one that is more cakey. So when you want it more cakey, you'd have to use a different mixture. So we take out a slice and guess what? The person who come here and wanting to eat never wants to stay up on camera and taste it to make on a seat. Look at me here. This is it. This is it. My God, I'm gonna taste. I'm just know I should not be the one tasting for you all. But I can't find anybody. Them big piece and run gone. They are not staying. Look at it again. More pain in your bed cock up. And at this point, you might want to pause the video and go cut piece of you. I am feeling very proud of myself right now. I toot my on. Toot. I'm tooting my on. Not that I have to do that. I've done this over the decades. And it's always the same result. The taste is like when we did little bit in that country and my mother got a wedding. The only thing is missing is the icing, that royal icing. And my mother got a wedding and then give her one little crumbs of cake, and when she come home, she'll bite one little piece and give me. Let me tell you something, Paris. There are two things: green lime rind and lime juice. And you have to know the amount. When you put green lime rind and lime juice in your cake, and as it ferments, as it ages, as it gets cured, with that alcohol and that green lime rind, Jesus, I can't find anybody. Everybody just wants to take a piece and go. Nobody just wants to stay up on the camera and talk to let you know. But I've got a video coming up, and I think I might find people to tell you the taste of this cake. I will find people, because with this and others, I'll be slicing up cakes and will be, you know, giving taste tests. So somebody must can talk to one about them cake. Yeah. Look at it. What you know about black cake? What do you know about the Jamaican black cake? What you know about fruit cake? What you know about wedding cake? Royal icing on this wedding cake. I'm not supposed to be eating so much cake at this point, early morning, but I've got to do it. This, oh my God. Only some cured sorrel now would do the trick. I'm sharing this with you. It is, let me tell you. I can't tell you, Paris. But as I said, we're going to be slicing up this and some others. And we're going to be doing a video where we give it to people. People who we don't know. We just taste it and tell you how it tastes. I promise that video. I hope you have liked this. But I hope you watch this at night. This is the final of when I started to rub up. And then I show you how I package. The only thing, when you ship these cakes with DHL, sometimes when it's not rushy, the people get their cake in good order. Now, Jesus, it's a mess. It is a mess how the people get their cake, because it's just rushy and it's just stashing. So the cake get all broken, but they have no other way unless you have somebody coming down and all of that. I hope you have liked this video. I hope me never temper not too much. And as I promise, as I said, I promise to give out random slices of this and other cakes here. People that we don't know is going to taste it. Some people might not want to be on camera, but God must find if I even want. Hope you have liked it. Hope you have enjoyed it. I know it's a long time I don't see me, but look here. The thing is on and off with me. And I'm trying to make the best of it. I'm working on stuff. And as soon as everything comes through, now I'm going to see me back again, man. It's going to be even bigger and better. Thank you all so much for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. We are growing slowly but surely over here. I'm not left on the iron giant drying at the Christmas here. Things are going to be pepping up. I'm trying to just steer on top of things. Eh?